a trace on my mind.
Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be cleaning out my fridge and my pantry in preparation for a new week. I actually try to clean out my fridge and pantry every week before grocery shopping to prevent food waste and just to base my meal plan off of what I already have. But I actually did miss a couple weeks, so the fridge is actually overloaded and it's going to need a lot more cleaning this week.
Rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you, I.
So I'm just starting by taking everything out the fridge.
I can't help.
In here, you guys can actually see how dirty it was for not cleaning it for like 2 weeks. The door and the actual fridge part was pretty bad. For my cleaning solution, I'll just be using some hot water, a cap full of bleach, and some Dawn dish detergent. I know some people like to use a sponge, but I feel a regular microfiber cloth does the job.
Baby, don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me.
So today I decided to go ahead and take out all of the pieces in the drawers in the fridge. This is not something that I do every week, but today it was actually needed. And I'll just be using dish soap and water to clean them.
Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting. Down, wasting my time. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. On my way.
So after cleaning the bins and putting them back in the fridge, you'll just see me starting to go through all of the things that were in the fridge, throwing out things that are expired, and also cleaning all the bottles.
Can't get you off my mind, ooh girl, nah, nah, ooh girl, nah, nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex, dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest, ooh girl, nah, nah, ooh girl, nah, nah. Fly me up with dreams, the only thing I need when I'm down, lift me up.
I purchased this 10-piece organizer set off Amazon. I wanted to use it to consolidate some of the things in the fridge, and I'm just gonna use the things that I already have and fill up the containers and then finish filling them once I go grocery shopping.
You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money, make you look so lovely, never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fun, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah, nah, ooh girl, nah, nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex, dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah, nah, ooh girl, nah, nah. You're my island, tray of diamonds, big was fake, help me find you. You're a blessing, reminiscent of the time when I found myself guessing. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside, set you free, let you lose all.
So now I'll be putting everything back in the fridge. I'm not going to be labeling anything because I'm pretty sure that I'm going to change the setup. But for right now, I was just more focused on cleaning it and having some type of order.
Give you all my money, make you look so lovely, never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah, nah, ooh girl, nah, nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex, dance to the rhythm and you do all
So moving on to the pantry. The pantry wasn't as bad as the fridge. I really just needed to reorganize it a little. So all of these here are just the kids' snacks that I put inside of their lunch boxes. So I'm gonna go ahead and organize everything so I can see it and we can finish using all of these up before I buy any more.
My baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, I see you. My baby, you know, I ride with you. My baby, I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord. I pray to the Lord, Fatumata Jambele. Everything being safe again, everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Ooh. Promise, Bobby, call you back, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. You looking like me, oh yeah, oh yeah. You see me be like, I'm not a naughty rider. Let me please you right tonight. Don't make plans tonight, yeah, yeah. But get it, come to me, come to me, let's go.
And this here is our breakfast box. I just pull this out in the mornings, depending on what I'm going to make. Usually anything that I'm making for breakfast will be in this box, and I'll just be refilling the oatmeal packets. And sometimes I do make frozen pancakes, but of course those are in the freezer.
I pray to the Lord, Fatumata Jambele. Everything being safe again, no. Everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah.
My Lazy Susans are one of my favorite things in the pantry. I use one for like oils and vinegars and stuff, and then the other one I use for like condiments, like the syrup, honey, jelly, and things like that.
Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Keep us safe. Baby, you're keeping us safe. I see you.
And then I'll just do a quick vacuum of the pantry to get up all the crumbs at the bottom.
Baby, you mean more to me, more to me.
Here is the finished product for the pantry and the fridge. Now everything is clean, organized, and ready for this week's groceries. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
No, baby, you mean more to me, more to me.